Women, what do you find most confusing about men? 1. How little they know about their friends. My husband was friends with a guy for years and didn't know how old he was. 2. Scrolls through channels on TV, sees movie does not know when it started, has zero context about the plot, watches the rest of the movie anyway. 3. Why are guys so apprehensive about receiving gifts? Buddy, I found a cool pair of socks that looks like a shark is eating your foot, and I paid next to nothing for it. Why do you have to act like you now have to pay for my college tuition? Can I not just gift guys things for fun? 4. How they make friends with everyone. Seriously, I was at work and saw two guys get in a massive screaming match, almost fighting. I grabbed security, and when we go to check it, the two guys are standing and laughing. They weren't even friends. They didn't know each other before that night, and suddenly they're best buds. 5. That guys can go from fighting and beating each other up to suddenly being back to friends. Are you guys really friends? Is it just taking frustration out on each other? What is it and how? 6. Why is it that if I send you a message that has 3+ parts, you only respond to the least important part?